Hi guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku, second puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, January the 5th, 2022. I've told you in this edition we have 6 extra puzzles. Letter Sudoku 2 stars, 3 stars, Tectonic with 4 stars, Tectonic with 1 star, and a binary. And I won't do them all, only 3 of them, half of them I will solve. And the second one I will do is a Tectonic with 4 stars. Is it really a 4 stars? I do not know. But this will be number 3936. Okay, 3936. Let me... Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 11 printed digits. Could be an easy one, could be a hard one. We will see. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. So let's get started. I hope this will be a 4 stars because the couple of days, those tectonics are very easy to solve. I don't know, publisher. I hope this will be a 4 stars. That you need to think, let your brain think. Don't publish easy ones because the followers of my channel wants really hard ones to solve. You need to think. Okay, let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because for the single box is always a 1. I see here a single box always a 1. Here a single box always a 1. Following question, duo box. Can we see here any duo boxes? I see here a duo box. Contains the 1 and the 2. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Triple box. Do we have any triple boxes here? We have a triple box here. It contains the 1, the 2, and 3, but I do not know in which order. But what I know is this box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. But we already have a 5 here. So it can be a 5. It should be a 4. Alright. Triple box, more triple boxes? No. Quadra boxes then. Do we have quadra boxes here? Let me scan. Here we have a quadra box. It contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Okay. Then, the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, constructions, figures, structures, whatever, you name it. For example, the T shape. Here we have a T shape. Let me draw this T shape here. Okay, the T shape. We have here the T shape. Remember that this box has always the same name as that box. Okay, so this box has always the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. T shape. Okay. Here another T shape. Mirrored. So this box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Another one here, 3. We have 3 of these figures. This box has always the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. T shape, then the following shape. How about the Z construction? If you rotate it, you will see the Z construction, yes, but it's rotated here. So let me draw this here. All right. Here we have the Z construction. Remember, if you see this Z construction, this box Wait. This box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. That box has the same number as this box. Z construction. Okay. Then the following shape. How about this shape? This shape. Let me draw this here. This shape. All right. This shape. When you see this kind of shape, this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2. Okay. So this box, the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of figures or shape? Here, mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. And those are the figures or shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Only 3 of them. There are more. I believe there are 6. But in this puzzle, only 3 that you need to recognize. Why you need to recognize these shapes? Because then the following step, it's easy for filling the numbers. So let's get started filling the numbers. All right. 3 boxes left in this area. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. All right. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. All right. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Let me see. This box cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this Z construction should be there. 2 numbers left in this Z shape area for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. And that box is connected with this box. Should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this triple box. The 1 and the 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. This box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 4. So the 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 3 and a 4. So 1 digit left in this area for the number 5. All right. These 3 boxes surround the 4. Cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box cannot be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 3. Okay. Then this box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for the numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 3 or a 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Well, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. Okay. Then these 2 boxes can be a 3. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 4. All right. These 2 boxes can be a 5. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 5, but this box cannot be a 5 anymore because we have a double 3 and a double 5 there. That means if I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So this is not the solution to place the 5 here. The 5 should be there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 2. This box cannot be a 2, that box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this cross area shape for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this box cannot be 4 anymore, that box should be a 4, and this box should be a 1, okay. Alright. Let me think. Now we have a 2 there. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 2. So this box cannot be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. This box cannot be a 1. So the 1 goes together with the 4 as a pair. 4 and a 1. So 1 digit left in this quadra box for the number 3. Alright. Then. Let me think. I think 3, 5. Well, this one. This box cannot, this box is connected with each other. 1 and a 4, but it cannot be a 4 anymore. We already have a 4 here, so it cannot be a 4, it should be a 1. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 1 box left in this quadra box for the number 4. Alright. This box cannot be 3 or a 5. We have a double 3 there and double 5 there. So the 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Let me mark those. So 1 digit left in this area for the number 4. Alright. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, we already have a 1 there. So it's not the solution to place the 1 there. The 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Alright. These 2 boxes. Now, wait. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore. This box should be a 2. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 1 box left in this duo box for the number 1. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me see. 2, yeah. 2, yeah. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I fill a 2 here, I cannot place any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Okay. This box cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Well, in this T-shaped area, we need a 2. The only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. That means that this box cannot be a 2. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not a solution to place the 2 here. The only place left for the 2 should be here. So now we have 2 boxes left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, let me mark those. 3 and 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 3 or a 5. Okay. Let me see. Well. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be a 1. This box is connected with that box. It can be a 2. And it can be a 3. Can be a 4. Yes, definitely a 5. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. And now we have a 5 here. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 5. Okay. Let me see. This box cannot be a 3. So the 3 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. All right. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. Well, I cannot place the 3 here. If I place the 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 should be there and the 4 goes here. That means that these 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 digit left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there. So no 2 here. The 2 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 2. I think. Now we have a 3 there. This box I've marked with 3 or 5 is connected with that box. It cannot be a 3 anymore. We have a 3 there. So this box should be a 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 5. 1 digit left in this T-shaped area for the number 3. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. 1 box left in this W area shape for the number 5. Okay. Then. Let me see. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 1 and a 3 and not a 2. But we already have a 3 there. So this box cannot be 3 anymore. This box should be a 1. This box is connected with that box. Should be so a 1. Okay. 1 box left in this area for number 3. And the last 2 numbers in this T-shaped area for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Well, publisher, is this really a 4 stars? No. Is this a 3 stars? No. Because it's a 2 stars. For a 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes. And I've solved this in 18 minutes. So publisher, please, next time, a hard one. Really 4 stars. We need 4 stars puzzle or 5 stars or 6 stars. Too easy is no fun. So publisher, need hard ones. Anyway, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle. A binary puzzle it will be. So see you then. Bye bye for now.